fam, it's that Jessie, and if you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Jessica and I make pastel, kawaii, cute, just videos about really adorable stuff on this channel. So if that sounds good to you, subscribe down below. Also, I have an Instagram as well, which is pretty much just like this YouTube, which is at It's That Jess, and I will leave that down in the description below. But for this video, I'm doing a very requested video, and it's an updated room tour. I've stopped with the hauls and I'm actually giving the people what they want. So if you are new to this channel, I live in kind of a box room. In this room tour, there is no bed in this room. I do have a bed, but it's not in here. But I've changed it around again, so what you can see right now isn't how it is in the room tour because I've already started changing it. There's no specific theme to my room, it's just pink and cute and party-esque, and it's just a whole load of fun, which you'll probably see in the room tour, which I'm about to show you. So I hope you enjoyed it, and let's get on with the room tour. So here we start with the door. Pretty bog standard door. I have my pushing calendar, which is the only calendar I will ever buy. It's just so cute. A few charms on the door, which just are things I've collected in the past, and then on top we got this Lazy Oath Hello Jessica thing that comes with anything you order online. I thought it was cute and I'm going to keep it up there, and I think you can see there's like glitter on the walls. That's because I have pink glittery walls. It's a necessity, honestly. Once you get glittery walls you will not want anything else. And then moving on, we got the tinsel wall, because of course. I think I got this from Amazon, but you can find them literally anywhere. The only problem is it doesn't stick on the walls because I have glitter. But it looks cute, and just ignore the tape at the top. And then underneath it I've got some fairy lights with some Polaroids on, which are really outdated. Those are from like when I was 17, so I need to update those. And then just below we have my clothes rail, which does look a mess. Some people's clothes rails look so good. Mine just looks like this, but on it I've got all my most worn clothes and my fluffy Mickey bags, which are just, look at them, so cute. Getting distracted now. Down below we have got this monstrosity. I realised that my doorstop looks really weird there, so let's just move him. We have my Mega Minnie Mouse Simpson, which is honestly the most important thing I own. I love her with all my heart. And then on top we've just got some other plushies, which I love as well, but she's adorable. And then around here we have some badly organised makeup, because honestly when doing this room I didn't think about where my makeup was going to go, so it's down there with all my face masks and most used bags and shoes, and I'm aware it is a mess. Okay, I'm not the best at organising, but just appreciate how kind of cute it looks. So now we come to the windowsill, which is full of random stuff that I just can't organise, and it's fine because the curtain's shut and you can't see it. But I've got like some scrunchies, a photo frame, this like really cute jewellery tray which is full of like Mickey confetti, so yes. We got a card from my boyfriend, a couple cute pictures, that this one's from Primark and this one was a birthday card. My only pop that is in its box because I put my mirror on it when I'm doing my makeup. Amazing skills that is. We've got my accessories tub, which is actually a mug box from Artbox, but it's cute and I didn't want to chuck it, so I found a use for it. And then we have some random knick-knacky bits because I am weak and I can't not have anything that's cute. Eek! And then we come to my desk, which is a desk. I don't know how to make it more exciting. I put this pushing blanket on top of the chair because one, I have too many blankets, and two, I needed to make it cuter. I think I achieved that. My little Marie that I got from Disneyland Paris, and then laptop, a empty pack of Pokemon cards, this Ted Baker box which is actually full of like pins that I bought from Hyper Japan, and hair accessories from Primark. Primark are really good for hair accessories at the minute. I have my little Bulbasaur planter which I use for my travel bands, scrunchies and memory card. Instagram headphones. Thank you Instagram. I have got this little cute cat post-it note thing which my boyfriend got me, and honestly I've never used but I love it. You can get a matching tape dispenser which is cute. my weekly to-do list. 20th on Saturday. You wouldn't tell from this room. Then we come to my bedside drawer, which is not next to a bedside, but it's still a bedside drawer. I have my flamingo mug full of excessive amounts of cute pens, but that won't stop me buying cute pens. I mean, I have a Christmas pen here, some Powerpuff ones, a Marie one. Just pens are cool, okay? I have this little alpaca from Tiger, a little positivity sign at the back, but I just hid it because I'm running out of room, okay? This Marie photo, which I got from going to Disneyland in November. A corgi plant pot, which I need to find a plant for. Eek. Harry Potter coasters, a coaster my mum made for me. A jewellery tray that's actually full of jewellery and not Disney confetti, so that's good. This little flannel, which I got from Artbox, purely to decorate this bedside table, so that it looks a bit cuter. That's just a boring box of body sprays and stuff, but it stays there. Also, peek my Halloween socks in August. Then we come to what could be the cutest part of my room, which is this chair, which is actually blue stripy. Eek. But here we are. Top tips for Jessica for cute rooms. Cover it with Primark blankets. They're soft and they look cute. This chair is literally just filled with plushies. Big plushies down there, plushie the cat knocked over, just loads of plushies, but I don't think you need a chair to sit down on. It can just store all your plushies and that's okay by me, I think. Oh, and then we got the tinsel curtain, which just keeps falling down. If anyone is noisy outside, it falls down. Even though we are not attached to any other houses, it falls down, so you've got all these stringy bits around. I can't be bothered to sort it, okay people, I'm sorry. We shall move on to the bookcase, which is a new addition to this room. So we've got my popcorn bucket, some plushies that I love. Finally got around to putting my Hyper Japan stuff out. Then the next shelf is Disney, and I have too much Disney for one shelf, but at the minute it's just condensed into one shelf. It looks cute, I love it. Then moving down we have my Wreck-It Ralph shelf. It's probably the most out of place shelf in my whole room because it is quite dark, but I love Wreck-It Ralph, my favourite film. Very excited to actually have a Wreck-It Ralph shelf now. Then we move on to my cutesy shelf, I guess. I'm still working on it, but we've got like some pushing decorations, which I realise are for Christmas, but pushing is for all year round. You've got some alpacas, my 3DS games, some various cute bits. We've got my Diva Pop, which just for some reason can't stay up on its own, so that is where it stays now. We've got some more cute bits here. We've got my Sailor Moon mangas, my Wisteria My Little Pony, which is the only My Little Pony I have, but she is my all-time favourite. Another Pusheen Instagram Ambassador of the Month award, which is just too cute. We've got my Snot Girl books and the Animal Crossing official sticker book. Moving down, we have got this monstrosity all here, which is my Pokemon shelf. Yay! It actually was my Nintendo shelf, but it's been taken over by Pokemon because my love for Pokemon has just grown recently. So a load of Pokemon plushies here, one KK slider one, and a couple handmade Animal Crossing plushies that I made in year 11. My only 2 Switch games I own, the Eevee agreement I was telling you about, and then some more Pokemon and Nintendo bits and bobs. This shelf here, which actually doesn't look horrific, we've got my most beloved irregular choice bag, which I just love and has to go there because I haven't used it yet, but it needs to be shown. A Sylveon plush, which just, it overflows, okay. Pusheen Pop, some fake glasses, okay. Powerpuff Girls, Peach, Mickey Memories, it just, I know it doesn't go. I'm working on it. But the last shelf is the worst. Oh dear. This is a really cute picture. I'll try and link below the artist for it because it's so cute. I've got this really cute Pokemon set from TK Maxx, and then some other miscellaneous bits which I know don't go. I'm working on it. If you look at it like that though, super cute. Then moving on, this hasn't changed at all, I don't think. This is my Tsum Tsum collection. let's just take a moment to appreciate it. I'm aware the bottom hasn't been done. They have been there since Christmas. I promise I will work on it soon. But this is one of my most favourite things ever. I'm an avid Simpson collector. I wish they sold them more. I'm always sad about it. On top, bit of a mess, okay? I tend to just put stuff here and hope for the best, so I'm not even going to go into that. And the final thing, this Prasheen poster, which is actually from last year's calendar, so I love that. So I hope you enjoyed this little bedroom tour. I'm aware it doesn't have a bed, still a room, so I hope you enjoyed this little pastel cute room tour before I go and change it all up again. So I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.